Student, today we are going to learn lesson number 7 of geography. Let us solve our own problem. So let's begin this lesson. First, tell me, students, do we have face problem? Yes, in our day-to-day life we faces many problems. Some of them we faces are some personal problem, and some of them we faces social problem. So in our day-to-day life we faces lots of problem. Some problems we are facing day by day, every day. Lots of personal problem we are facing, like sometimes we forget our things at home, like pencil, pen, and that time we need help to take help to others. That time our colleagues, our friends give us that pencil, pen. We borrow this pencil, pen from our colleagues, our friends. Now we also face social problem, like sometimes road is not proper, we cannot walk on that road properly, and sometimes street light is not working. This kind of social problem also we are facing day by day. So in this chapter we are going to learn which kind of social problem we are facing in our society. So let's start. Let us begin from this picture. Now see what she is saying. This girl is saying my area get water only thrice a week. This is a very big problem. As we know, student, water is our basic need. Every day we need water for doing everything, every activity. Like we need water for drinking, we know need water for washing clothes, washing cars, then uh, we need water to others things like bathing, cooking. But it in her area there is no water, because there is insufficient water in her area. This girl is facing water problem. As we know, we need to wash our uniform daily basis, no, but in her area there is no water, there is a scarcity on her water. So in this yeah, this girl is saying in her area gets water only thrice a week, and they are facing lots of problem due to this water due to this insufficient water. Student, see in this picture the boy is walking with covering his nose. Why he is walking with covering his nose? As you see in this picture there is a lots of garbage, you can see over there. So due to this garbage, dirty smell is coming out, no, that's why he is saying the garbage has built up. I have to walk school with my nose cover. You can see some animals over there also. Now see students, when we putting garbage on the road, no, that time like cat, dog, they piled up these things, and due to this that the smell, dirty smell is coming out from that garbage. So his boy is suffering from this dirty pungent smell. So that's why he is going to school with covering his nose. So we should put garbage properly. We should not throw this garbage on the road or beside the street, because we want to walk, no, on this road, and people are suffering with this dirty smell, and we are the responsible for these things. Have you ever seen this garbage in your own area? Have you experienced such kind of pigeon cell? Yes, many times we suffering from this dirty smell when we walk beside the road, when we walk on this the street. That's there is, we can see lots of garbage, and who is responsible for that? We are the people. We are throwing this garbage like this, we are in such a way. So that's why we should throw this garbage properly, uh, otherwise we can burn that garbage in front of our houses. If we do same things, and the result also affect us, like there is air pollution, and due to this dirty smell and dirty garbage, the disease will spread. That's why we should keep this this garbage, uh, we this we have to we need to throw this garbage properly to the municipal van, uh, and we should not throw this on street and in front of our houses. This girl is scaring, this girl is worried. Why she worried? Let's see. She is telling, feel like riding on my bicycle to school every day, but there is no bicycle track. Why she is worried, why she is afraid? Because there is no separate um, this there is no separate subway to ride a bicycle. You can see there is a lots of this traffic is there, lots of van buses and car is there, and she is very small, no, she cannot ride on bicycle properly on the road, because there is lots of vehicle is also there. So what problem she is facing? She want to ride bicycle, and she want to go to school on riding her bicycle, but there is no special track for the bicycle. Government might be not made this build this street. So what problem she is facing? She is facing traveling problem. She want to travel to school at home to school on her bicycle, but she cannot uh, ride a bicycle because she is afraid, she is scaring, because there is no special track for bicycle. Because if traffic is there every day, how she will go to the school every day by bicycle? So it is not possible to go safely on bicycle because of this traffic, because you can see the road is full of the vehicles. Will they go safely? Can you tell this girl is will go safely? No, because there is a lots of traffic and it is chances to accidents. That's why she is scaring to ride on bicycle. Last picture, this boy is having another kind of problem. What he having problem? He is saying, my father has to visit every day to the taluka place every day for some dispute over the land. What is meant by dispute? Dispute means argue, argue to someone. So the boy is saying his father has to visit every day to taluka places for some dispute, for some argument over the land. And you imagine, students, you are staying in now you are staying in for example, you are staying in Pune, and you have some dispute, you have some quarrel uh, over the land, and you have to travel regarding that land problem, that issue. You have a dispute over the land, and regarding this reason you have to travel every day Lonavala, Pune to Lonavala. So it is not possible to travel every day and spend whole day on behind it. It is it will be headache for you. So this boy's father is also facing such kind of problem. He have to travel every day uh, to taluka level. We should solve such kind of problems in our area. So now student, let's move to our main topic. What is our topic? Let us solve our own problems. We will begin. In our society, so we should solve that problem by showing this all the picture. What we come to know, we come to know lots of problem, various problem are people are facing in their day to day life.